Are you tired of climbing stairs in your home and maintaining your yard? How would you like to own a brand new, low-maintenance ranch home so that you can focus on doing the things that you enjoy? Welcome to Sedona Ridge, where affordability and spacious living meet everyday convenience. Hi, I'm Chris. Thanks for stopping by. Let me show you around. Our homes are wrapped in charming craftsman exteriors. Inside, they're designed to make your life easier with everything on one level. You'll love having your kitchen wide open to the living space so that you'll never miss a conversation or a scene from your favorite show. Having your luxurious owner suite on the main level makes daily tasks so much easier, like not having to haul your laundry basket up and down stairs. But don't worry, all of our homes come with a full basement, perfect for endless storage. But the best part about living here, no more mowing the lawn or shoveling snow. Spend a lazy day grilling out and relaxing by the community pool. Not only will you love your home, but you'll also love the location. You'll be moments away from Miami whitewater forests for sunny days spent in the beautiful outdoors. Walk the trails, go for a round of golf, or spend the day fishing. The options are endless. Close highway proximity puts you downtown in minutes. You'll also be close to your favorite shopping and entertainment in Harrison. So what do you think? Are you ready to love where you live? Put our location in your phone, and I'll see you when you get here.